Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So thank you so much to Vettsy for sending me this amazing PR package. And by the way, I am an ambassador for Vettsy. I absolutely love them and I recommend them 100% honestly and wholeheartedly. I will have a coupon code for you guys linked down below in the description box along with on the screen throughout the video, just in case you're interested in picking up any goodies. So here I am starting off with this lucky bag that they have. It's only $9.99 and I love that it's a $30 plus value. It even includes a polygel with a bunch of great goodies and you just can't go wrong for $10. So here I'm just going to briefly be showing you everything that the lucky bag includes. So I definitely love this and their packaging is just so beautiful. I love the presentation. I love the quality of their polygels. It's like the Macart in the sense that it's not runny and it's not stiff, but it's just perfect. And yeah, I just absolutely love them. It's an amazing company. No, this is not a new company. A lot of people were in the past were asking me if it was a new company. They have over 100K on Instagram. You know, it's a big company and they're absolutely amazing. And I definitely recommend you guys check out their website just in case, you know, if you want to see what they have. They have a variety of things and what I love is that they definitely have a variety of prices as well. If you don't want to spend a lot of money, you don't have to, but it's all up to you, you know. So now I'm just going to finish showing you everything that they sent over to me, and I will have their website linked down below if you guys are interested in checking them out. But I am so grateful for Vettsy. Thank you guys so much. You guys are amazing. I absolutely love them. Their team is awesome. They're just so kind and just heartwarming, and I really appreciate it. And I'm super grateful every single time I receive PR. I'm just really grateful and blessed, you know. It means a lot to me. I see how the more opportunities I get, how far I've gotten in my channel and on this nail journey, and it really makes me proud because I must say I have put and I have invested a lot of time and effort, and it's nice to see it, you know, just paying off. So thank you guys so much for all the love and support. Included, this is a really good peel off coat. It's honestly just as good as the UNT one that I use, and the UNT one is like $16 and this one is currently on sale for $8.99, and it was definitely great as well. And I did place this on, you know, because I was gonna remove the nails. So this is one of their new collections. It's a total of 32 colors, so if you want to purchase the entire collection, it's $50. And you could also use my code to get 10% off, or each of them costs $5.99. So yeah, you guys will see me here reviewing the product, how it works, how smooth it is, and I love how it's just so easy to work with. Very great for beginners. Here I just placed the numbers along with the name and the color of the polygel once it was fully cured. And now I'm just going to do some basic prep. So after I've applied my peel off coat, I'm just using as a slip solution this Vettsy slip solution that I had received in my previous PR package from them. And here I'm just showing you everything that I'm going to be using. Their double-sided brush, of course, to apply the polygel. And also I'm going to be showing you everything that I'm going to be using nail art related that was included in my lucky bag. I was just so happy to receive the lucky bag because it just brought so much goodies, and I am the queen of nail art. I absolutely love nail art. If you guys are interested, you can check out all my nail art hauls. I have a ton of them. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Like I said, I didn't really know what to do in this particular video. It's not always easy to come up with everything right then and there, which is how I usually do it, honestly, because I just don't feel like sitting there and planning things out. Just at the top of my head, whatever I have, I just figure out what I can do with it. So I don't know if you guys thought it was the best look or not, but at the end I really liked how it came out. I thought it was really pretty. So I am using only one polygel from today's PR package, and it was just a neutral color. I think at the end it went really beautifully with everything, how everything was composed, because I definitely wanted the nail art glitters and stuff to be the attention of the nail set, not the polygel color. So yeah, here I am just applying some base coat inside of the nails, and these are some full coverage nails that I purchased through Aliexpress. These are the long square nails, and by the way, they're super affordable. They're like $4 and some cents. So I definitely recommend you guys get your hands on the Aliexpress full coverage nails because they are amazing at an unbeatable price. So I'm just placing this base coat inside of the nails, and I am doing this because I will be adhering, well, after I'm gonna adhere everything under the UV lamp, but I'm just gonna be using this to apply all my glitters and my sequence glitters. And by the way, I am doing the Lazy Girl method by Femi Beauty. I know now it goes by the Femi Beauty method, or whatever you guys prefer to call it, or whatever you know it by, but I absolutely love that method. It's just so convenient, so fast. I always mention how I don't like spending a ton of hours on nails. I feel like it's not something I like doing. The quicker that I could do my nails, the better. And in my opinion, they always come out cute. So yeah, I always try to find the easiest ways that I could just speed up the process, because I definitely don't like spending hours doing my nails. It's just not for me. I just like something that is, adequately, appropriately timed, and yeah, and that comes out nice. So here I'm just showing you guys me just placing my glitter sequences on the nail. I decided to do alongside of it, not the whole nail. So that is what I'm doing here, and after I'm done applying everything to my liking on all the nails, I'm just going to be curing it for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to be going in with the polygel and just showing you guys the way that it works. I absolutely loved it. I was so happy just to be doing this video. I don't think I had done a nail tutorial in like a month, so I was so happy to get my hands back on being creative and just doing a nail look for you guys. So let me know down below what you guys thought about this nail tutorial. Thank you guys so much, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you guys enjoyed it. And by the way, guys, I definitely recommend these dental bibs, which is what I'm using. It's not a napkin, it is a dental bib, and I do get these on Amazon. I don't remember how much they cost, but I do get like I get them in packs and I just get them in different colors, but they're just so great to work with. And I actually got this idea from TikTok. I saw all the nail techs actually use this for their clients, so I'm like, you know what, I want to feel like I am a nail tech. Not that I want to be one, but I just want to get into like the field of pretending to be one, I guess. And I purchased them, and they're so amazing because whatever you spill on them, it dries up and it doesn't go through, because they are dental bibs. They have like this protector in the back. I don't really know how to explain it. I'm not the best explainer, but I just thought it was something great, you know, to incorporate if you're doing like polygel tutorials or whatever, because it does get messy. So yeah, just in case you guys are interested, I did purchase these dental bibs through Amazon, and they are absolutely fantastic, and I will always continue to use them. So shout out to the TikTokers who, you know, showed me some good tips, because every time I go on there, I love putting like nail tech or nail tech supplies or like organizational videos. You really learn a lot and you get a lot of ideas. So yeah, I really love doing that on TikTok. So yeah, as you guys can see here, I'm applying the polygel, and it is just, I think, the perfect consistency for anyone, especially beginners, just because it's not runny. It's not going to be going all over the place, so it's really easy to manipulate. And also remember, it also has to do with the temperature in your home. So whether it is cold or hot, or I don't know, room temperature, sometimes that also affects the way that the polygel works. In my house, it is always freezing cold, and yeah, so the way that I worked was beautifully. I absolutely loved it because it wasn't runny. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not the biggest fan of the runny ones or the too soft ones, because it just becomes really messy. But this one, it just I love how it just stays composed, how you leave it, you know. How you mold it is like how it stays. So I really appreciate that. So yeah, I really loved it. I will have everything linked down below for you guys if you're interested once again. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so glad to be back. Yeah, guys. Usually I try to take 2 days off out of the week for sure, because, you know, those are the days that I do spend with my loved ones. So yeah, but I am gonna try my best to always stay consistent for you guys. You know, I was thinking the other day how time flies so fast, because I was checking my oldest video, and literally I believe in like 2 or 3 days it makes an entire year that I've been on YouTube. So I'm really proud that I haven't given up, and I, you know, continued doing it. So here, after I was done removing the tacky layer from the nails, always remember to do that because it's really important, if not it will be a hot mess. I went ahead and just started shaping and filing, and then I did buff off camera. I removed the shine off the nails since I was going to be applying my own top coat. But before I decided to do all that, I went ahead and show you guys me applying a dangling charm, because I'm definitely a fan of these dangling charms. They're absolutely so fun, and they just add so much to a nail set, in my opinion. I absolutely love them. And yeah, I don't know why I haven't personally like applied it to one of my nail sets, like on me. I definitely will be, because I love the way they look and they're just so pretty. So yeah, I applied this beautiful butterfly to go with the look, and this is what it's looking like so far. I did apply my top coat off camera, so you guys won't be seeing that, but I will be showing you me applying the cuticle oil that this kit, no, not that the kit, that the lucky bag included, and it is strawberry scented. So we are coming to an end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let me know down below what you guys thought on today's tutorial.